Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to show you our 80 C high temperature, high bay flood in the 200 watt model. So I'm going to unbox it and take it out for you today. So this industrial grade fixture, again, it supports up to 180 C operating temperature. Again, 200 watt, puts out 26,000 lumens, comes standard 100 to 277 volt AC. You also can go 347, 480 volt. Again, as you can see, it's very rugged, comes with optics. Standard is, we ship on this product, 110, but there are other options that are built to order. Comes with a standard industrial grade trunnion bracket that can be adjusted, so it can be used as a flood or a high bay, and it comes standard with an eye hook, so you can hang it. It does not have dimming wires because of the high temperature, but you have your power wire. Again, a very rugged grade fixture. Again, this trunnion bracket adjusts as you need it. Again, heavy duty driver box. Again, huge heatsink to support the high temperatures. Comes with an installation guide to tell you how to use it and connect it up. So again, very high-end fixture. And if you have any requirements for high temperature applications, give one of our salesmen a call and they'll help you determine the right fixture for you.